the roots of our nature. Look at these beautiful trees, at these roots, taking power from the earth and to the earth, connecting all of these beautiful tree species with each other in something beautiful together, in a huge network of resources all over the world. Hello, my English-speaking friends. I'm Nadejda. For those of you who don't know me, Nadejda Stoilova, positive psychologist, holistic coach, working with energy psychology and Logosynthesis, a consultant with Akashic Records and Facilitator, family constellations and integral constellations from the Akashic Records. I'm now in Switzerland, near Vilsbach, near Wallensee, and walking my path through beautiful nature and forest to get to a sea here, which was recommended. And I was quite impressed from this beautiful scenery, from all of these roots and roots from the trees, but actually roots to our nature. I mean, in general, symbolic, our human nature. As maybe you experience some connection with your systemic roots, with your family, with your grandparents, with the ancestors. I'm not sure of the word in English, but the people from your system behind you, 7 generations back to your parents, your mother, your father. How powerful are these resources, and if the energy flows freely from all these systemic resources of power, of love, of togetherness, of health, of wisdom, of intuition, of abundance, to all of us, the children in this system, to our children in front of us. If there are some blocks in these energy flows, and then we may get some issues, some problems, some challenges. And in the systemic constellations, in systemic work, we try to discover all these energy patterns, destructive energy patterns in the system, which stop the freely flowing of all these beautiful, helpful, resourceful resources, energy which we need for our healthy, meaningful, and filled with love and happiness life with our beautiful souls, family members, friends, colleagues, and so on. These days, 1 week, I will be on Energy Psychology Logosynthesis Summer Conference in Vilsbach, and now I enjoy a day of rest after the traveling from Bulgaria. So this was a small talk with you to exercise my English also, because the conference is international, it will be in English. And just to say hello, just to spread the light, the resources from the nature with you, and wish you a beautiful, lightful, inspirational weekend, summer. And let's get together if you need some input, some help, some support in individual sessions online. Just let me know. You will find my email, telephone number, my webpage in German, in Bulgarian. You can enroll for this YouTube channel in order to get, hopefully in future, some impulses also in English. Why not? Let's spread together the beauty, the light, the wisdom, the inspiration, to get a powerful community of people who inspire us, people who get in touch with everything what is, with our heart, with our light, with our wisdom, to spread the light. So my friends, be healthy, be blissful, be blessed, and see you soon. If you like this video and if you enroll my channel, you will motivate me to make some new video impulses, maybe some inspiration from the conference, to share some new methods, some insights from the conference here in Switzerland. Be blessed and see you soon. Bye bye.